Not going to keep you long today. I'm going to make this pasta. I'm using penne. Use any pasta you want. Cream, ham, peas, garlic, cheese. Delicious. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so the pasta I'm using is penne. You can use any pasta you want. Change that if you want. You can see here I've got some of the water, a quarter cup of the water that we cooked the pasta in. 2 cups of cream. Now I'm using a thick cream. It will make no difference if you use thick or thin cream. So it's going to work out all the same. 1 cup of peas. They were frozen. Just put them in some cold water. 1 cup of ham. You can choose the ham you want. It's 170 grams in fact. 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic. 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. 1 teaspoon dried oregano or oregano. So we're going to go straight in, and I'm going to start with an apology because I forgot to show you, of course, onions. 1 cup of onions. I've got 3 tablespoons of oil there. I'm using olive oil. Use a different oil if you want. Above medium heat, in goes that 1 cup of onion. And we're just going to go for about 3 to 4 minutes. Beautiful. Next up, let's get in that chopped garlic. Just a couple of teaspoons there. I'm going to be adding some salt and black pepper. And 1 cup of peas. Like I say, they were frozen, and I just popped them in some cold water and then drained them off. Let's just go for another 2 to 3 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. Really quick and easy, this one, and tastes fabulous. Okay, we're going to go for the ham. 1 cup of ham. It's actually 170 grams. Use any ham you want. This ham has actually got truffle in it. I've never tried it before. I had a piece earlier. It's really delicious. But yeah, any ham will work. Or if you wanted bacon, but you'd have to cook that first. The dried herb, the oregano or oregano. 2 more minutes. Keep it moving. Yeah, this is really quick and easy to do. A nice quick lunch or dinner. Next up, we're going to go for the cream. 250 ml of cream, or about 2 cups. And like I say, thick or thin. It's going to make no difference whatsoever. We're now going to drop in a little bit of that pasta water. We're going to drop in that fresh Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix. We're going to get the cooked pasta. Like I say, I'm using penne. Use anything else you want, really. Keep it moving. 3 minutes, job done. See you at the table. And there you go. Look, I've just finished that off with a little bit of spicy paprika. Maybe you could put some chopped parsley or basil on there, whatever you want to call that. That's it. Nice, easy ham, cream, peas, pasta. See you later. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.